Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum wa rahmatullah. We are practicing chapter number 9. Let's start. Kha ya zabar khai. Kha is thick and it is lean word. Khai. Ra double pesh. Rung. Ra is thick here and we will do ikhfa because of tanween. Khayrun. Repeat with me. Khayrun. Khayrun. Dal standing zabar da, we will prolong it equals to one alif because of standing zabar. The waw standing pesh woo, we will prolong it because of standing pesh. Woo dal pesh do will remain normal because of simple pesh. The wudu, repeat with me. The wudu, the wudu. Next is zal standing zabar the. Again we will prolong it equals to one alif because of standing zabar. The lam zer li will remain normal because of simple zer. Kaf zabar ka will also remain normal because of simple zabar. Dhalika, repeat with me. Dhalika, dhalika. Next is ra zabar ra is thick. Dwad waw pesh du. It is vawmad and we will prolong it equals to one alif. Radu, repeat with me. Radu, radu. Next is shin zabar alif mad sha. Hamza zabar a. Sha a. It is madde muttasil, so we will prolong it equals to 4 alif. Sha a. Repeat with me. Sha a. Sha'a. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khairan kathira. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.